Wow, man, you're going fast in your Dodge Challenger. Oh, God. He got pulled over.
Come on, get faster. Get faster. They sit there like this after.
Yeah.
They're not even like, they just won't look like say, yeah, sorry. Oh, that's smart.
Oh my god.
Fucking owned.
Jesus Christ, that was the funniest thing I've ever seen.
99 out of Elk Grove got some intermittent stop and go right around the area of floor and road with more speeds below 40 miles per hour, off and on the rest of the way to Highway 50 with traffic every 10 minutes.
Holy
next
shit.
Report 7:30 on News Radio KFBK 1530 AM and 93.1 FM.
All right, Brian, thanks very much. Our forecast today is cloudy and a bit windy throughout the day. Highs just into the mid-70s. Skies are clear tomorrow. Temps getting a little bit warmer to the upper 70s, but the weekend really nice. Sunny skies on Saturday. Sunny skies on.
Back off, dude. Back off. Shit! Shit! I just wrecked my car. This dude just fucking cut me off and I just fucking wrecked. Fuck!
You fucking asshole.
Are you fucking insane?
Oh shit.
我冇安怎啊？咁你打電話要緊打電話無？我冇解安怎。
Waterfalls on Merseyside are among the sites listed status this year. That made sense. More than 1,000 locations were granted protection by Historic England. Its chief executive is Duncan Wilson.
Where our national stories reside is not necessarily just in those.
thought it made me look like a royal. Someone who could wear his hair any damn way he wanted. And it was perfect for the Christ-like
push in front of the police.
It's Richard II, David, not Jesus the First. You know who you sound like, don't you? Yes? No,